Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your date of birth on Facebook after the limit. So I'm sure most of you know that Facebook has a limit or a number of times which you can change your date of birth. So if you have exceeded the limits for a particular period and you really want to still change your date of birth to a particular date, I'm going to show you how to do this. So first of all, I'll leave a link in the description of this video which you can easily click on and then head over to the request form page for Facebook where you can request to change your date of birth. So all you have to simply do is just head over to the link and then click on it, and then you should land on a page like this. And then once you click on the link, it's possible you might not see or you might not land on this page which I have right here that says request a birthday change, and this is because you might have to log into your Facebook account. So the page which you might land on might be your login page. So all you have to do is just head over and put in your email address or your phone number and then your password. And then once you are logged in, you should land on a page like this that says request a birthday change. And then once you're here, you want to make sure you just head over and read the notification from Facebook. It says, please note that your Facebook account must list your authentic name and date of birth. Accounts that list incorrect information, for example, fake name or fake birthday, may be suspended. So you really want to put that in consideration before using this process. If that's okay with you, just head over and click on date of birth. So you want to change the year to the year of your birthday. So let's just head over and pick something for now. So let's say this is our birthday for now. Once you're okay with the birthday, just head over and select reason for change. So here you have a whole lot of options. You can easily select this is my real birthday. And then once you're okay with that, you just head over and click on send at the bottom of the screen. And then once you do this, a request will be sent to Facebook, which they're going to go through, and then they will change your birthday just as you have requested. So it's an easy and simple process. It's not stressful. Just head over to the bottom of the description of this video and then click on the link which I will link to the bottom of this video. Once you land on this page, log into your account and then change the birthday to whatever it's supposed to be, and then click on send, and then you're done. Okay guys, that's all for this quick and easy tutorial of how to change your birthday after reaching the limits through a request form. So if you found the video helpful or you learned something new today, make sure you give the video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I post helpful and similar contents like this on this channel all the time, and also turn on the notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video. If you have any problems or issues with this process, do let me know in the comments below. I'll help you as best as possible as I can. Hope to see you guys on the next one. Have a great and wonderful day.